All right, building an AI model is only part of the process. If you actually want people, apps, or businesses to use it reliably, deployment is where everything becomes real. In this full guide, I'll show you how to deploy cloud AI applications efficiently in 2026, step by step. First, understand what deployment actually is. Deployment means taking a trained AI model and making it available for real-world use through apps, websites, APIs, or business systems. Before deployment, make sure your model is tested properly. Check accuracy, speed, reliability, and how the model handles unexpected inputs. Now, choose the cloud platform that matches your application needs. Different cloud providers offer tools for hosting models, APIs, databases, automation, and scalability. Think about how people or systems will actually use the AI. This could be through websites, apps, APIs, chatbots, internal business systems, or automation tools. Many developers package AI applications using containers. This helps keep the application consistent across different environments and servers. And yeah, that's how you deploy cloud AI applications efficiently in 2026. Once you understand hosting, scaling, security, and monitoring, launching AI systems becomes much more manageable.